Hi everybody, this is Bob Garrett. I'm here to talk to you about a Generac generator and battery. Everybody knows that the most important thing in a vehicle or in a generator is having a good battery. That's this, it's a small car battery. So what if you get a message or you find that you have a red light instead of a green light on the end of your generator? You want to come out, open the lid, and see what it says. This says charger missing AC low battery. So if we put this in manual, it will attempt to start. Now this is a shop training generator, so I'm going to let you listen to what a generator with a low battery is. Here we go. We didn't hear it start. So what we do is we pull the front cover off. Here's the battery. And this one is about 7 years old. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to pause the video and we're going to switch out the battery. See you on the flip side. All right, we switched out the battery. This is what a fresh battery should sound like when the generator is trying to start. Thank you for watching. Call Bob Garrett Services so we can help you with any generator issue.